Hi class, here's a link for this lab. So make sure when you open the link, it's going to take you to the following page. And what you're seeing here is um, the Poisson distribution for several values. I'm trying to make the actual picture a little bit larger. Okay, here we go. I had to pause the video. And here's the basic idea. So this is the formula for the Poisson distribution. And observe what happens when you actually increase the value of A, which is this constant and that constant there. And what you're going to see is a pattern occurring where the Poisson distribution, which is technically defined in here as a skewed distribution, becomes or it approximates a bell-shaped curve for large values of A. It doesn't matter which value do we have here for the constants of, the constant D on this problem. As it increases, it's going to be approximating the normal distribution. So that's the same effect that you're going to have on all of the Poissons, that for larger values of the constants, in this case, I'm pointing at this one, the A's here, for any larger value, you're going to see that they approximate a bell-shaped curve. So the picture that you're submitting is basically this one where you modify the link and all of these are approximating a bell-shaped curve.